Behind me, it's the BMW X5. Now, I shot an awesome video of how, you know, when your window won't go down, it's trying, but it's not, how to fix that. And half my footage got gone. So, this video will be pieced together. So, I'm going to show you exactly the symptoms, and then we'll show you the fix. Got to detail this, so look over it. This is a BMW X5. So, the symptom is when you hit your button, and then up, the window tries to go down and up, but it don't move. What you about to see in a, you know, hopefully I got enough footage. All you want to do is take you some WD40, spray the seal on both sides, and clean out any moss, any kind of junk, trees in here, because that, what it is, your seals got hardened. It's pressing up against the window, so it makes the window hard to go up and down, and it can damage your regulator. So you always want to take a rubber treatment or something, and ever so often hit your seals if it's not garage kelp, because you know, moss and leaves, and especially if they're going to be setting for a while, gets in there, it makes the seal extremely hard. But you work it up and down, up and down, up and down, and the WD-40 a couple times. Eventually that window will go all the way down. Sometimes you have to help it to get started, but just take your time. It all got to soak in. You know, it does not happen instant. So this window is fixed. Let's get into what footage I got left, and I'll show you, hopefully I'll show you how to fix yours. If I do, comment below. Simple enough. Put my hand on it, just helped it down a little bit. Now we got that, we can spray every bit of this. You can see what's holding us. It's this old moss and stuff that's on this. Oops, going back on me. Which we can, like I said, we can take and clean that out. The paper towel, we go ahead and soak these. I'm gonna treat them about 3 or 4 times, but we got the window down. Do this here. Up goes the window, and you can see it's on that old moss. You can see the seal. You see how that seal's tight? You watching that? Watch it. It's not flexing because it got hard. You see it? It's starting to liven back up, though. And the window is starting to work. Look at that. We'll go all the way down now. Come on. Nope, it stopped. Well, that was sad. Let's put my arm on it. Come on, go on. So I'm going to get it back down, and I'm going to let this seal soak, and I'm going to clean out inside here with a paper towel or something. I got one right here, and get all this old mold off this. Might have to take something hard to sit on that seal. You see? It's all that. It's making like a suction cup on it, and that seals, look, it's softening up good. So it should get this window working in due time. I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. Oops, that's how it went down. Up and away. It's starting to rain. Kentucky weather. You see this? It's actually trying to snow. But update on the window. It works. Now it's messy and oily and stuff, but that's what we got, some chemical guys. Cleaner protector for down, 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 down. It's a snowing and it's cold out here. Oh, never mind, it's sweet. But the window's fixed. The more you use it in these seals, put some rubber treatment on them seals, better this is going to get. I mean, WD-40 frees it up, but you just need to stay on top of it working. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this down with some of the chemical guys and clean it off. Get some of the WD-40 so it looks halfway decent if we got to drive it. Got a paper towel. Clean, clean. Wow, what a video. Anyway, here we go. Get some of this out of this channel here. It's also will push up against it. Makes that seal not too flexible. So we want to keep it clean as we can. Yeah, it'll be cleaned after a while. That's no problem. WD40 and chemical guys is fuzzing a little. I ain't got another napkin to wipe it with. Huh? Yeah, I need another napkin. Oh, I'm glad you know where they are, because I sure don't. Blue truck. Oh, got plenty. Woo! Oh yeah. Just fogged up a little what's cold. Got that DVD on it. Woo. DVD water displacement. Sweetie, it looks kind of funny. But we had to use it. We had to. I don't want to wait it, though. I'm going to be painting that later in the year. Okay. The window works. It's kind of clean. Everything's looks pretty good. It had some more lights on the dash, but I done got all the lights pretty well off besides this one, and the airbag lights now on. That's a new one. You just sat down in that seat. I say it's something to do with that seat. Maybe you turn the passenger airbag off and that's telling me it's off. Service engine light, it says it's lean on two, you know, lean on one cylinder, lean on the other cylinder, bank 1, bank 2. This does got bad gas in it. It's set for a very long time. You can smell the varnish in the gas as it's burning, and I have a feeling it's to do with the gas. I put a fuel treatment in it. I'm going to run all this bad gas out. I put a Lucas stabilizer in the gas that's in it now. Once I get it to about empty, I'm going to fill it up and put a Bowman B12 in it. That stuff does pretty good, and I'm gonna drive the shit out of a pretty heavy driving now. Treat it like a sports car, and it should fix them codes up. I fixed a many of the clog injectors, bad gas, you know, from that. So do you have an X5 or you have window troubles like this? Let me know in the comment section below. Clean the GoPro off. Sorry guys, let's see some water. Let me know in the comment section below what brought you to my video. Check the eBay store out. Stuff I don't need I sell on you know, like car parts and stuff you might see in my videos. And random stuff, let's be honest. So thanks for watching. Get subscribed. And this is about all I can do to this thing today, because it's starting to rain, freeze, snow maybe? I don't know. Kentucky ain't made its mind up yet. And before I go, I done rolled it down once, but look. Look! Do you see that? Of course you do, you watch it. It's fixed. All it took was some time and some WD-40. Now I gotta clean it off again.